Intro of Leo, his small town and family background. Father mechanic, mother cleaning houses, little sister looking up to him. His personal dream, chain of restaurants, better life for his family. His moment of reflection under the stars, wishing for change. Sharing dreams with his father's advice. Dreams are not free. Leo notices bread demand in town, forms idea. Walks to meet Mr. Anderson, the bakery owner. First deal with Mr. Anderson, trust test. Leo's first day selling bread struggles. Offers samples, first customer, sells everything. Returns money to Mr. Anderson, proving himself. Leo continues his daily bread-selling routine, waking up early, carrying heavy loads, and greeting people with passion. After 2 months, he saves money for a cart, making his work easier. A customer suggests, "Why don't you bake your own bread?" Leo feels excited but scared. He reflects deeply. Nothing is free. If I want success, I must learn and take risks. He approaches Mr. Anderson, asking to be taught. Mr. Anderson is hesitant because teaching Leo means losing a customer. Leo convinces him by promising respect and gratitude if he succeeds. Mr. Anderson agrees but warns. Baking is not easy. It takes patience and discipline. Leo begins lessons at 3 a.m., struggling with kneading, dough, and baking. Many failures. Bread too hard, too soft, wasted batches. He feels frustrated, even thinks about quitting. He remembers his father's words. Dreams are not free. Regains determination. Keeps practicing every step carefully, improving little by little. After 2 weeks of effort, Mr. Anderson finally tells him, "This is perfect. You're ready." Leo feels proud, motivated, and sees this as a new beginning. After learning to bake, Leo starts baking at home with a small rented oven. His family supports him. His sister helps pack bread. His mother makes tea for him as he works late nights, and his father encourages him quietly. He expands his products from bread into cookies and pastries. People in town love his creations, often saying, "Leo's bread tastes better than anything we've had before." Business grows steadily, and customers trust him because they see his hard work. But challenges arise. A rival bakery opens in town, run by a young man named Eric. Eric has a big, fancy shop with colorful signs, lights, and decorations, attracting many curious people. At first, Leo feels nervous when he sees sales drop. He worries that all his hard work might be wasted. Instead of giving up, he chooses to learn from the situation. He listens to his customers. Some like Eric's clean and pretty shop, others like his beautiful cake designs. Leo realizes he must grow, not just as a baker, but as a businessman. He invests savings into improving his cart, paints it, adds decorations, and offers free samples of his new pastries. At night, he studies cake decorating techniques from library books and videos, practicing with patience. Slowly, customers begin returning to him because they trust his consistency and honesty. One elderly woman tells him, "Many young men give up when times get hard, but you didn't. That's why we trust you." Her words give Leo courage, reminding him that persistence matters more than quick success. Over months, his reputation grows again, and with savings, he finally rents a small shop. The shop isn't as big or flashy as Eric's, but it feels warm and welcoming. He names it Leo's Fresh Bakes. Every morning, he wakes up before sunrise, bakes with dedication, and opens his doors with a smile. His family helps. Sophie greets customers, Claire manages accounts, and Mark helps with repairs and heavy lifting. Leo knows this is not the end, but just another step toward his bigger dream. Leo's Bakery, Leo's Fresh Bakes, becomes popular in town. His family feels proud, and customers admire his persistence. But life isn't done testing him. One stormy night, as Leo is closing his shop, he suddenly notices smoke rising from the back of the bakery. Rushing inside, he sees a small fire near the oven, heart racing. He grabs buckets of water and manages to put out before it spreads, but much of his equipment is badly damaged. Exhausted, he sits on the floor of the dark bakery, staring at the broken tools he worked so hard to buy. Fear creeps in. What if this is the end of his dream? The next morning, word spreads quickly through the town. People gather outside his bakery, whispering, "Oh no, what will Leo do now? Maybe this is the end for him." Hearing this breaks Leo's heart, but deep inside, he refuses to surrender. He steps outside and declares, "This is just a challenge. I faced struggles before, and I will face this too. I won't give up." Later that day, Leo calculates his savings and realizes it's not enough to replace all the equipment. For a moment, hopelessness washes over him. But then he remembers his journey, starting with nothing but determination, proving himself one step at a time. Instead of despairing, he goes to see Mr. Anderson, who has now retired. Leo asks, "Sir, what would you do if you were in my place?" Mr. Anderson smiles and says, "Leo, you already know the answer. Nothing is free. Work harder, believe in yourself, and people will believe in you too." Encouraged, Leo decides to act. With the little equipment left, he begins baking at home again. He tells his customers honestly, "I won't let you down. Even if I can only bake a small amount for now, I will keep serving you." The townspeople admire his courage. Slowly, they begin to help. Some donate ingredients. Others give him small amounts of money. A few even volunteer their time to help clean and repair the damaged bakery. Leo realizes something important. When you keep fighting and never give up, people notice. They want to help someone who helps themselves. Though the road is hard, step by step, he begins to rebuild his dream. After months of effort and community support, Leo finally reopens his bakery. The shop is brighter, freshly painted, and filled with new treats like cupcakes and muffins. On opening day, the town celebrates with him, and even the mayor comes to honor his journey. The mayor says, "Leo, you are a true inspiration. You've shown us that with determination, anything is possible." Standing before the crowd, Leo replies, "Nothing in life is free. Not success, not respect, not love. Everything must be earned with hard work, patience, and persistence. Never let failure stop you." From that day, Leo's bakery becomes more than a shop. It becomes a symbol of hope for the whole town.